Hey guys, want to see how I achieve this look with a half wig? Keep watching. Hey y'all, so I'm here with one of my favorite half wigs, Sensational Instant Boutique Bundles in the color 2. It's one of my favorite half wigs. I've purchased it like 5 times already. It comes in 8 different colors, and most of the hair is dark at the root and light at the bottom, and then they have it in 1B and 2B as well. Also, they have a lace front like this. This is the card. That's the colors they have, but I love it. Once it starts getting old, or you can do it now, you can actually spray it down with one of your spray bottles with water, like regular bundles, and it gets really wavy. So don't be sleeping on this synthetic hair. It's really good. So I'm going to show you the hair, and then I'm going to put it on. But this is the hair. Very curly, wavy-ish. It's like a deep wave. But I love it. It's really my to-go-to. Like if I want a quick style, just throw something on. This is my favorite thing. The other colors are so pretty as well. Like I said, they're like two-toned. So I've also had like the color 27, which is like that blondish color with the dark roots. But it's really, really good. I love this wig. So first things first, I'm gonna use a comb. I'm going to section my hair from ear to ear. I'm gonna tie it up. And then I'm going to braid the back pieces into 2 pigtails. Now I'm going to take the 2 pigtails and clip them up. Now after this, you can either put a stocking cap on or not, but that's the top row of the clip and that's the bottom row. I'm going to secure it right at the line. And then I'm going to put the back secured on and then tighten the string. Now that it's on, I'm going to use my Eco Style gel and do my edges. I normally do my edges simple. I don't do all that new stuff with all those swoops. I try, but I still need practice. So now I like to use a scarf to hold down the parts I just gelled. And I'll just keep it on for like 10 minutes. Now I'm back, taking it off, and that's how it came out. That's how long it is from the back, and this is what it looks like.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe.